transferring this older design onto canvas, I used my new silver point and these basic guidelines which Lawrence Luana shared with us in his online workshop, and also he has it in his book Sacred Chords. Before, it was drawn almost completely intuitively, starting from a star in the middle, and this time I found how the shapes fit perfectly into these guidelines. I'm highlighting all the main details with mechanical pencil, and also I can add some more tiny details with it. The design was created 3 years ago together with my friend Marta Araygua. And it's based on star shape which often shows up in my art. But maybe without her I would not add her wings. And they look here just perfectly. So I think it's a really great collaboration. Actually, because of her, I had to figure out how to draw wings in a simple way, because she wanted to learn to draw wings. And this is Rumbi, fractal seed, and it was my decision to add it to the design. Now I need to paint over all the details, because this pencil fades very quickly in daylight. I just can't keep it too long untouched. This top of a petal is also kind of a cobra's head. Quite an unexpected turn. Everything here represents some universal energies, and often my shapes are born from each other, so it can just start from a star in the middle, and when something is growing around, and from one shape comes another, and in between some shapes come other shapes. Everything is interconnected. And there is some inner logic in all of this. It's like a universal language of shapes and forms and flow of lines. Multiple infinity signs showed up here. Some final touches on fractal room base. Later I can fix something that went wrong or looks a little off. Next step will be some pearl white background before I can start painting with oils.